And before we start, I want to thank the following people. Their link will be in the description. This is J-Moe, and today I will be showing you how to install my latest 2K23 mod, which includes 114 custom characters put into one roster with custom jersey and court designs. First, let's download the 3 links provided in the description. From your desktop, you will click on your Windows key and type Steam. Find your library, find your game, right click on it, go to Manage, browse local files, you will drag and drop the hook here. Once you have a mods folder, you're going to drop your shirts folder inside. Now the most important folder. Make sure you place the mod_Jmo in your 2K23 directory. Make sure it's not inside your mods. Next, we're gonna run our game. Now you're going to click F8, you're going to click on Mods, Resources, and you're going to click here where it says mod_Jmo, and then you're going to click on this, click Escape or F8 to hide this window, and then go to Quick Play, or Play Now rather, Quick Play. Load an online roster. Search for content name and type JMO space, and it should be this one. And now if you did it right, it should look like this. And I hope you all enjoy. This has been in the making for a really long time, and I'm happy to release for free. Take care, and I will see you on my next video.